A battery and two resistors X and Y are connected in series. The power transferred by the battery is 6 watts. The resistance of X is 10 ohms. The voltage across Y is 4 volts. What is the current in the circuit? So all we need to do is relate the power transferred by the battery to the power transferred by the resistors, or the power dissipated by the resistors, more specifically. So we have that 6 watts equals, well, the resistance of X is 10, and it's going to have a current through it of I, and we know power is I squared R, so this is 10 I squared. And then the voltage across Y is 4, and then we know power is IV, so this will be plus 4I. So if we rearrange this and then divide everything by 2, we have 5I squared plus 2I minus 3 equals 0. We then have to think, how can we factorize this? So two numbers that multiply to make minus 15 and add to make plus 2. So that'll be 5 and minus 3. So we'd expect something like 5I and then I. And then this would be plus 1, and then this would be minus 3. And then, so the current must be I equals 3/5. So this is 3/5 of an amp. Hopefully that was clear. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comments. But this is how we should approach these types of questions, just laying it out very methodically and using or being comfortable with different expressions for the power. So in one I used I squared R, the other I used IV, because both of these conveyed a certain amount of information, and then we could get a quadratic for I. So what you would have found is if you try to work, let's say getting the voltage and then getting the power, you could have done that, but then being comfortable with writing power as I squared R or V squared over R or IV, you can then get each of these quite quickly, and then it's just a matter of solving the algebra.